Sydney and I am the business developer over here at RoofSource. I'm really excited to talk to you today about the different types of roofs that we offer. RoofSource offers a wide variety of different types of roofing systems, everything from residential work to commercial work. Some of the different types of roofs that we do include things like asphalt shingle roofs, modified bitumen, low slope roofs. We can also do architectural metal, tile roofing, TPO roofs or PVC roofs, which are both two types of single-ply membranes utilized usually in low slope and flat roofing systems. And then we also can do EPDM roofs, which is an extremely durable synthetic roofing membrane, also widely used in low slope roofs. If you're perhaps unsure about what type of roof you have, there's absolutely no need to worry. We have a team of experts who gets on roofs every day, and so they're really used to seeing different types. They're really good at assessing the different problems if there are any, and they're also very good at documenting any existing damage. And so if you have any questions, feel free to call our team. If you're already in contact with the project manager, feel free to reach out to them. Otherwise, you can feel free to call us at our office number, which is listed here, and we would be happy to chat with you.